Welcome to Talk, Sing, and Point. We're going to dive into the wonderful world of language development. From their very first cues to the complex sentences, your child's journey through language is remarkable. Let's explore how you can be an integral part of this adventure. Encourage your child to describe their actions, like putting on their jacket, tying their shoes. Prompt them to go to the next step, then the next. This not only boosts their language skills, it also helps with their confidence and helps them become more independent. Expand the world with new words. Instead of big, try enormous or gigantic. Each new word is a building block, and it's the magnificent structure of their vocabulary. Talk, sing, and point your way throughout the day. Describe everything that you're doing, seeing, or even smelling. Your child, no matter their age, is a sponge for rich vocabulary, and you're sharing your knowledge. Songs like ABCs, 1, 2, Buckle My Shoe, and the Itsy Bitsy Spider are playful and memorable ways to engage with language. Every child's journey with language is unique. From the early coos to the giggles of infancy to the complex stories of preschool years, each phase is building block for the next. Let's make every moment count. Engage in conversations, no matter how one-sided they may seem at first. Sing songs that are rich with rhyme and repetition. Point out the world around you, from the smallest ant on the sidewalk to the vast skies above. And don't forget those blinky, blinky stars. Your involvement in your child's language development paves the way for a lifetime of learning and connection. Talk, sing, and point your way through the day, and watch as your child's language skills begin to flourish. For more resources and support, connect with our community. Together, we can help every child find their voice. Every word matters. Let's fill their world with positive, uplifting, and nurturing language.